We're talking about futures and how I'm going to start day trading futures very soon. Talking about some of the benefits, talking about why, talking about what, and all that fun stuff. What am I talking about? Futures, day trading, futures. Talking about it in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. So over the last 2 years, I've been documenting my journey, the process, the beginning, the end, well, not really the end, but just the overall process of how I've been learning about day trading, becoming a better day trader, and all of that fun stuff here on this channel. It's time for the next chapter. Not that we're closing the old chapter, we're just gonna open up a new chapter and keep this whole chapter going forward. We're going to be day trading equities, but we're also going to start learning about day trading futures. And you might wonder, where is this all coming from? And there's not really any exact reason to why I think I want to start trading futures. I feel like there's a couple benefits that might be a little bit better for me overall. The big thing that I'm having a problem with right now is I live on the East Coast. Obviously, the market opens at 9:30 every morning, and that's right in the middle of the day. My big thing is I have a lot of other stuff going on, other business opportunities, other passion projects, stuff that I want to focus on. The hard thing with day trading is, being there at 9:30 every morning, it's difficult. And one thing that I've been noticing lately is I've been trying to kind of force myself to find opportunities pre-market or right at the bell. And I don't really let setups come to me because I'm just like, I gotta make a trade. I gotta make a video, I gotta get out of here, I got things I gotta do. And one of the reasons that I'm interested in learning more about futures is that there's a lot of moves that happen before the market opens. Smaller moves on a futures contract can still equal large profits. And I also think that some of you guys who might have never thought about trading futures might be interested in trading futures after you hear about some of the benefits. First off, there's the tax benefit. Second, there's tons of liquidity. Third, you can actually trade futures under $25,000, no pattern day trader rule. I think the minimum to start trading at most brokers is around $2,000 to $5,000. So you can put $5,000 into an account and start trading futures right away with no PDT rules. Obviously, there's still risk involved with trading futures, but what I'm going to be focused on is explaining, breaking down, and kind of documenting my journey to learning more about futures and sharing that information here with you guys. I'm also heading back up to New York City at the end of the month to meet up with Steve Kalasian to talk more about futures, to learn from the man, the myth, the legend, Steve K, right there in New York City, to learn more about futures and then give that information to you guys. So I'm going to be asking a lot of questions. I'm really going to be trying to learn as much as I can from Steve, and I'm going to be sharing that right here on the channel with you guys. And I'm also going to be documenting my journey to how I'm going to be trading futures, what I'm going to be doing, and the overall game plan. Like I said, I'm interested in trading between like 7 and 9 a.m., maybe like 6 a.m. and 8 a.m. So I'm interested in trading really kind of in the morning early, locking down some profit, and then going on with my day, focusing on other things that I want to focus on at this time. So those are some of the reasons that I'm interested in learning more about futures. And also, like I said, I think there's a lot of great information and content to come from me learning more about futures and then sharing that with you guys, and also kind of talking about the process of going from trading low float crazy momentum stocks to now trading futures. I'm still going to be trading equities, I'm still going to be trading stocks, don't worry about that. Nothing is really going to change on the channel other than getting more information, more content, focusing a little bit more on futures, maybe options, and sharing with you guys how you can learn to day trade futures by simply just watching these videos. So I'm going to be working hard for you guys to learn everything that I can to make it easier on the process for you guys to go from zero to hero. Not that I'm a hero, but to go from zero to learning more about futures and understanding the overall basics. I'm going to break down the step-by-step process on trading futures, what I've learned, and kind of how I'm applying the day trading knowledge that I already have with candlesticks, with the overall chart reading, momentum style trading. We're going to apply that to futures, and we're going to see how it goes. No promises. This might be a totally bad experiment or journey, but I'm going to do it I'm gonna double down. We're gonna trade futures, me and you, we're gonna do it together. And I'm gonna share with you guys the experience, the journey, and all that fun stuff right here on the channel. So if you're interested in learning more about futures and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Also, have any questions, concerns, if you think this is a really bad idea, leave a comment down below. So there it is, Patrick WIeland, trading futures. We're leaving the small cap world. We're not really leaving it, but we're gonna be shifting a little bit of our focus over to the futures world and kind of figuring out how that's gonna work, how it's gonna play into it, and how you guys can also benefit from trading futures. So there it is. Make sure you, well, I already told you to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you leave a comment, leave a like, and all that fun stuff. I'll talk to you guys later on.